Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So I'm super excited for today's video because today we will be talking about an ingredient that can revolutionize skincare, an ingredient that now I'm convinced is essential for all skin types. And yes, you guessed it right, I'm talking about hyaluronic acid. I'm sure you guys must be familiar with the term or the ingredient itself. If you don't know what hyaluronic acid is, don't worry, I got you covered. So if you guys want to know more about hyaluronic acid, what it does for our skin and why is it considered as an essential ingredient in our skincare routine, then continue watching. So hyaluronic acid is basically a game changer ingredient in skincare, and most of the time we see it present in our face serums. So what basically is hyaluronic acid? It's a molecule that is naturally present in our skin. It has the capability of holding 1,000 times its own weight in water. So hyaluronic acid is basically responsible for making our skin look hydrated, plump, healthy, and it maintains the moisture level in our skin. But day by day, as we age, the natural hyaluronic acid present in the epidermis layer of our skin depletes, and thus our skin looks dull, dehydrated. There is loss of plumpness. So it becomes critical to replenish the HA level in our skin, and dermatologists all over the world can understand the importance of hyaluronic acid in our skin, and thus they recommend it to us. So now let me introduce you to the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, which is the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid across L'Oreal's portfolio, and it is also the #1 product in USA. Many Indian and international influencers have already talking about this product. So as I mentioned that hyaluronic acid is recommended by dermatologists, and also it's a favorite ingredient of dermatologists as well. So I had to give this one a try. So with the right 1.5% concentration, this product increases your skin's radiance by 42%. It gives instant hydration to your skin and leaves your skin feeling glowy and radiant. I'll show you guys the application in a minute. So I have been using this product for past 10-12 days, and it was filled up till here, and I'm already down here, as you guys can see. And I love that the serum comes in concentrated form and not diluted form. Before I move on to the application, let me quickly show you guys the consistency of the product. The serum has a really lightweight, non-sticky texture, and it gets instantly absorbed into your skin right when you apply it. Now I'm gonna show you guys the application of the product. So here I have my clean face, freshly washed. I have nothing on my skin. Now I'm gonna take a few drops of the serum on my palms. I'm going to rub it between my palms, and I'm going to gently pat it on my skin. And the serum has no alcohol, fragrance or colorants in it, which is amazing. So people with sensitive skin can also use this product. The serum can be used either in morning or night routine. If I use it in the morning routine, I follow it up only with my sunscreen, and if I use it in the night routine, I apply my moisturizer right after it, and I'm done. Now let me zoom you guys in and show you my skin after using the product. My skin feels nicely hydrated, plump and radiant. There is absolutely no stickiness on my skin, and it feels nice and hydrated. This product has the right concentration of hyaluronic acid, which is 1.5%, and after being #1 product in US, Europe, I'm so happy that it is finally available in India. And the key ingredient of the product, which is hyaluronic acid, makes this product a must-have in your skincare routine. As I mentioned already, that hyaluronic acid is dermat's favorite, and I love how radiant this product makes my skin look. At night when I apply the product before bed, next day I wake up with radiant skin, and also the hyaluronic acid makes sure that my skin doesn't loses any moisture throughout the night. So in the morning when I wake up with not only radiant skin but also hydrated, plump looking skin, which I absolutely love. And also let's take a moment to consider the packaging, the sleek packaging that it comes in, and also the dropper, which makes it so much easier to take out the product. So the product comes in two sizes. There is a 15 ml one, which is for 499, and the 30 ml one, which is for 999. So I would definitely recommend it to all of you guys, no matter if you have oily skin, normal skin, or dry skin, because I am oily skin type, and I used to think before that hyaluronic acid is something for dry skin people, but after using this product and after seeing the result, how this product makes my skin feel and look like, that thought of mine has completely changed. So I would definitely recommend it to you guys. If you want your skin to be hydrated, radiant, plump, glowy, definitely give this product a try. The link to it would be mentioned in the description box down below, so definitely check it out. So that was it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.